camera, what happened this week?
I peed on my floor.
Well, let's not talk about that. What happened with Aunt Kim? What happened at the hospital?
She got a baby.
Oh, we love him. What's his name?
Kugla.
Kukla. We love you, Kukla. Kukla Eli.
Kugla Eli.
We love Kukla Eli.
We love Kugla Eli. He's a great guy.
He is a great guy.
He's mean. He's nice.
He's so nice.
Mama was holding him and he was sleeping in his eyes. How cute.
Oh, cute.
And then I was rubbing him on his head.
You were.
Then we come and then my auntie comes. And then Auntie wasn't coming. Only Ellie Kim.
Okay, bye, camera.
Bye, camera.